This video is about writing equilibrium expressions. At equilibrium, the rates of the forward and reverse reactions are equal. This means that as the reactants react to form the products are reacting to form the reactants at the same rate. When writing an equilibrium expression, the concentration of the products must be divided by the concentration of the reactants to get the equilibrium constant. If the compound in the reaction equation has a coefficient, the coefficient becomes the exponent of the concentration. To find out which side of a reaction or of a equilibrium reaction is favored, you look at the equilibrium constant. If the constant is greater than 1, the products are favored. If the constant is less than 1, the reactants are favored. And if the constant equals 1, then neither are favored. When the reaction between nitrogen monoxide and hydrogen gas is allowed to reach equilibrium, the equilibrium expression is K equals the concentration of N2 times the concentration of H2O squared over the concentration of NO squared times the concentration of H2 squared. The next problem wants us to find the concentration of hydrogen bromide. To do this, we must first write the equilibrium expression for this problem, which is K equals the concentration of hydrogen bromide squared over the concentration of H2 times concentration of Br2. Then we must fill in the values that we are given, which is 64 equals x squared over 0.05 squared. Next, since this whole side is squared, we can just take the square root of it to get 8 equals x over 0.05. Now all we have to do is multiply both sides by 0.05. And we get 0.4. Now pause the video and take time to do the practice problems. The answer to the first problem is K equals HI squared over concentration of H2 times the concentration of I2. The answer to the second problem is the concentration of C2H6 equals 0.17